Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew the bandana hat that comes in adult and kids sizes. I'll link to it in the description of this video. I haven't made a video for a while as I've been busy sewing tons of masks. I think there are many patterns and tutorials there already, but if you would like me to share more about the face masks I make, let me know in the comments below. I made this pattern a while ago as an accessory for children, but I thought it might be useful as an adult pattern for surgical scrub caps that are in demand right now, or as a chemo hat, and why not as a fashion accessory. It is a unisex pattern and also universal size as it is adjustable at the back. Here are the pieces: one center, two side pieces facing each other, and two band pieces. First, I'm going to narrow hem the back side of the center back and the side pieces. I'm pressing the back of the side at half an inch hem allowance, and then I'm sewing the hems. Next, I'm going to hem the back side of the center head piece. I'm going to make a narrow hem. It's better to press the hems in place prior to sewing to make it easier on yourself. I'm going to fold and sew as I go. I'm hemming both sides all the way up to the notch, and then I hem each straight line at the back. Here is how it looks at this point. The narrow hem finishes at the notch. Now we need to sew the side pieces to the center head piece. Starting at the front, I go along the curve. To make sewing the curve to the straight piece of fabric easier, cut many small clips into the seam allowance all along the curve. I'm going to repeat with the other side. The last step is to attach the band to the headpiece. First, I'm going to join the two pieces together to reach the appropriate length. Then I'm going to fold the band in half and sew. At some point close to the middle, I'm going to leave a 2-inch wide opening so that I can turn the tape inside out later. I want it to be close to the middle because the hole is going to disappear into the seam later. I'm going to finish the ends of the band with a diagonal seam. To make both ends even, I'm drawing the angle with chalk before I sew. To reduce the bulkiness, I cut out the excess fabric and clip at the edges to get pointy ends. Turn the bind inside out through the hole. Push and pull the fabric until you get to the end. Iron press all along the tape. Start pinning the band to the headpiece. Align the center front with the center seam of the band and pin the rest in both directions. This way the hole will get closed in the seam. Sew the tape and the band together. And here's our finished bandana hat. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing and DIY how-tos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!